Wow. What are you guys doing? Why are you guys still here? Well, here we go. Good morning and welcome back to another vlog. Today is actually a sad day because yes, our family are Gloria and June, they're going back to Oregon, so that's the sad story of today. They're going to Oregon, but the good news is we are taking them to the Harbor Buffet. We are actually starting out trying out this new restaurant, Harbor Buffet. So for those of you who live in Washington, Seattle, Edmonds, wherever you are, Everett, if you haven't tried out this place, we're just about to go try them out, so we'll let you know how it goes, okay? All right, so here's the can. Okay, we'll see. Mira, poco bebé. Okay guys, I'm picking out my food right now, so yeah, I'm gonna show you what I got, okay? So, see? Okay, that. Alright, I need... What is this? Okay. Okay. Can I get one of this? Okay. Can I have some of this? Some noodle. So we got the noodle, fried rice, noodle. Good food, nice. Can I get some of the eggplant? Not too much though. So see for yourself, guys. You guys want to try out this new restaurant? Come? Okay. Corn, shrimp. Nice. It is good. It is good. Then go around. Chicken. Excuse me. Come here. This. Look at that. And that's my dessert bar. Huh? No, I want the shrimp. I want some shrimp. The crab. They have duck. Maybe one corn, maybe? Corn? That's a lot. Oh, I think I'm gonna have some soup, guys. Oh, and a few of the mussels. Mussels, oh yeah. Nice. You got good food. Can I have some of that? Just a little bit.
Travel with just a little.
Okay. Okay, so this is my food, guys. Alright. Alright, so this is what I have. That's my plate. Right there. There's more over there. Soup. Soup. Ouch, my hand. I'm gonna vlog with this. It's mommy's. That's Gloria's. That's June's. That's Mars. Wait, Mars. And we are eating. Man, sorry guys. I think I'm running low on battery, but if I die, I will come back in 3 days. But yes, we're gonna eat, so sorry. We are eating right now. So if you haven't if you haven't checked out if you haven't watched our challenge featuring Gloria right there, you should probably go and check him out too. But yeah, I don't want to. But yep, looks like this is really good food, better than the country buffet. All right, we're gonna enjoy. So I'm sorry, you guys have to just watch and swallow your saliva up because it's getting interesting here. All right, keep watching. Ouch! 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 Yeah.
We're gonna stay.
I guess. There we go. Those are the desserts. Gloria? What do you got, Gloria?
I had creme brulee. This is called Hawaiian salad. Strawberries, dipped strawberries, and I got a crepe.
Nice. What's yours? Strawberry, pineapple, grape, and white salad.
Birthday boy. Turkish style support. That's how I have. Turkish style support.
Show it to mine. Okay, I don't have any more food because they don't allow me to eat anymore. I eat too much. They were afraid that I might just eat up the whole all the food up over there. So yep, no more food for me. All right, so this is my dessert. Oops, I mean dessert. I got this. I don't know what this is called. I got the fried bananas. I got the vanilla ice cream and what do you call that? Mandarin salad. Okay. Yeah. Sorry, see that camera? It's dead. That's why we're using a phone. Yeah. It's $131.31. That's the price for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 people. 6 people, so 131. So I'm gonna try to see if I can ask if we can just pay the last 31 and then we'll pay the 131 next time we come back. Hi, is there a way we can pay for just the last 3-1 and then next time we pay 131? Come play with you. Okay, so it didn't work out, but I did try to ask for just to pay for 3-1, but then he wanted me to pay the whole full amount. So
the $20 in between your ID and your debit.
all right, guys, it's too bright, but we're done with the You guys want to say hi and bye?
Thank you.
Huh? So, what do you think about the Harbor Buffet? What do you think?
How much is it per person?
Thanks in the other way.
I don't know.
That's a little too spendy, but it was really good.
It's good. What about you, Mars? What do you think?
That was good.
What about you, June? Huh?
He had one
That's
plate,
good?
so
So overall, this place is good. So
drink.
remember, guys, if you're in town and if you want to check out a good place to eat, come to Harbor Buffet. If you don't know where to find it, you can come pick us up at our house. Make sure to have extra money to pay for our food. Yeah, because I'll be bringing my family. So we've got a big family. So yeah. All right. So where are you guys going?
what is it? Golden Gardens and the beach.
Okay. I think the battery just died. Oh wait. All right.
Okay, thank you. Bye.
All right. Well, see you guys later. Okay, we're back at it again. That's your boy Marlson. He's really doing it well. He knows how to barbecue. Hey, dude. Welcome to Cooking with Marlson. So, do you have anything to say to your viewers? Huh? What?
Keep on watching.
What?
Keep on watching.
Okay. All right, let's check that out. Woo! Oh yeah. So that's. What's up, Elston? You have anything to say? No. So okay. So let's get a proper introduction with our special guest from Oregon. This is Gloria. She's the gal that runs the Aloha Grill. So if you ever stop by in Tualatin, Oregon, please stop by at the Aloha Grill. She'll hook you up with some short ribs and loco moco. Oh yeah. All right. So that's Mars again. Woo.
Can I? Is that done?
So right now we're just. All right. Let's see. Okay. So right now we're just kind of waiting for everybody to show up at the party, and then we'll just continue the vlog and get everybody on the video. But in the meantime, we'll just continue to show you the delicious chicken. Okay, catch you in a few.
Alright guys, we are here. We just finished eating and we're just chilling with our cousin. Say hi. Hi. And yeah, this guy's name is Elwin. Hi. Connor, say hi.
Hi.
Bye. Say hi.
Bye bye. No, hi.
Say hi.
Hi, bye bye. Hi, bye bye.
Eggies.
Hey, what is that?
Bye.
You're doing it. What?
So we're just chilling and having fun with our cousins. Are you a weirdo? Let's see, we're having fun. And
Crush.
don't forget to subscribe, keep on watching our videos, and see you in the next vlog. Peace.